Now we have a similar problem. It involves volume, but let's read through what we have here. So, okay, let's Scream for Ice Cream serves 3 scoops of ice cream in its signature cone. And it gives you information here that's very relevant also. It says that each scoop is a sphere with radius of 4 centimeters. So now we know each one is a sphere. We need to know that a sphere looks like this. It's the ball, essentially. This is a sphere with the equator drawn, right? This is your sphere. Now the radius for any sphere is just from the center, so let's say that this is the center, to the edge of the sphere. So something like that. That's a radius. And again, all these radiuses are equal from this point to this point is the same length. Okay, from the center to the edge. Those are all radiuses. Okay, and they give us this radius. They tell us that the radius for any one scoop is 4 centimeters. And the question that they're asking us is, what is the volume total volume of ice cream? So that means that we would need to find the volume of this one, and this one. Here's your 3 scoops, but all 3 scoops are exactly identical. So it's just going to be 3 times the volume of 1. So now we need to find the volume of 1, right? So what's the volume of 1? Well, it tells us that it's in the shape of a sphere. So volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So we need to just know that. We need to go to our formula sheet. We have our reference sheet. And we look and we see volume is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. We know what r is for each one. R is 4. And we just need to carefully do this arithmetic. Pi times 4 to the third. And what we get here is 4. This is all multiplication. Look, it's over 1. Pi over 1. 4/3 over 1. 4 to the third over 1. Right? So if you multiply the tops, you're going to get 4 times pi times 4 to the third. But that's just 4 to the fourth times pi over 3. And this is the volume of 1. And to make it even easier for yourself, since this is the volume of 1, if you take this and you realize that you got to multiply by 3, we want 3 scoops. Multiply by 3 on both sides to get 3 times the volume of 1. 3 divided by 3 becomes 1. And now we know that the volume of 3 scoops, which is 1 cone, which is 1 per ice cream cone, this is 1 whole thing, right? It's 3 scoops, that's what we're looking for, is going to be 4 to the fourth times pi. And just take your time with this. Just go on your calculator. You could do 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Or you could go 4 to the fourth. You're going to get 256 times pi. And then just multiply by pi. Do times pi. And you're going to get 8. And it wants it to the nearest cubic centimeter. You're going to get 804 as your answer.